Hello guys, we use smartphone Motorola G23. This version 8GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Start unpacking device. Open box. In box we have protected back cover. Documentary and key for SIM slot. Type-C cable and adapter for charging with quick charge. Okay, that's all. And talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side triple camera, 50 plus 5 plus 2 megapixels. On the front side 6.5-inch display. On this side power key and power button and wall buttons. On this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Upside headphones jack. Turn on device. HD display 90 Hz, IPS matrix. Geekbench 6, we have CPU Helio G85 and GPU Mali G52. Look results on Toto benchmark. Device support 10 touches. Let's see this. Okay, perfect. And good results on Toto benchmark. Close this. Guitar Sunrise works on the max graphic level without problems. Good gameplay. Okay. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.